Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an old school makeup review, and I am so excited to be doing this video because I feel like I have not done a makeup review in forever. I love makeup reviews. I'm really excited to be here with you guys today. So let's go ahead and jump into this quick review. So today we're going to be reviewing the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist and the e.l.f. Stay All Night Micro Fine Setting Mist. So I actually hauled these from Ulta a while back, and I have been using them in my videos here and there. So you guys have definitely seen these. They are not a stranger to my channel, but I have been wanting to come and do a review on them because I've truly been enjoying them. So we'll go ahead and start with the coconut mist here. So it comes in a white bottle, a nice white frosted bottle. So you get 2.7 fluid ounces, which is 80 milliliters of product. Now, let me tell you something. I am very heavy-handed when it comes to setting sprays. I like to drench my face in setting spray because I have combination skin now. I used to have really oily skin, but I really like to set my makeup. And I also like to take away that powdery look because I love to cake on the powders. I do layers and layers and layers of powder, and I like to use my setting spray to take all that down and to solidify everything. So I'm very heavy-handed with my setting sprays, and I have been heavy-handed with this, and I love how this is all I have been using. This is all that I've used. So let me go ahead and give you guys, I hope you guys could see the mister. Very fine, very smooth, not a tough sprayer. It's not the best, but it is a really good one. Like, I love how the mist comes out. I am just like wasting the product, but I love how the mist comes out. I think it evenly coats your face. If you kind of hold it back, like, I think you get a nice amount of product on your face with just holding it here. And I also like to go around just to make sure that I am getting all of the areas of my face so that everything is set and ready to go. So this is the coconut one, and this is also the dewy one. Now the coconut smell is not overpowering, which I am very, very excited about because I hate smelling makeup on my face all day. I used to like that when I was younger, like the lip balms or like the lip glosses that had like cake or strawberry fruity kind of smells. And I also didn't hate if like my foundation or primer or setting spray had kind of like a sweet smell. I did not hate it, but getting older, I cannot stand for my makeup to leave a lingering funky smell. Like, even if it smells good, like throughout the day, it's gonna end up smelling funky to me just because I have to sit there and smell it all day. So I love that you do smell the coconut, but it's very light, it's very fresh almost. It's not like a heavy, strong coconut, like coconut water. It's not strong like that. And I love how it dissipates in just like a few seconds after spraying, so it's not lingering around, and I love it. Also, it doesn't have like all of your makeup or just wherever you're working, it doesn't have that smelling like coconut either, so I love that. So it does claim to be dewy, and I honestly think that it is more of a natural finish. I don't think that it has you dewy at all. And you guys know that I love the Pixie Glow Mist. These are my absolute favorite dewy setting sprays, and this is the Rose Glow Mist, and this is actually a new bottle of the regular Glow Mist. This one just has the argan oil in it, and I love these. These are so good for giving you that nice, fresh, dewy, kind of healthy, glowing skin. And I don't think that I get that from this. This is definitely like glowy, more oily based, of course. And this is more of just like a natural finish. So if you're getting this and you're looking for like that dewy, bronzy, just sun-kissed glow, I don't think you're necessarily going to get that. You're just really going to get a more solidified and natural finish. But I love it. And it keeps your makeup on all night. I wore this one like a week or two or so ago when I did my self-care Sunday day date. Used this as my setting spray, and it was so freaking hot that day. I'll link that video down below. It was so hot and I was sweating. I had on my mask, I was running around, I was running errands, I had went to lunch. It was insane. And so I really put my makeup to the test that day, and this setting spray really held my makeup on tight. It looked awesome by the time I got home compared to everything that I had done. It looked great. I'll have that video linked down below because I was in my car sweating, and I definitely talked about how my makeup still looked good. So I really put this one through the ringer and it definitely came out on top. This one is $10. They do not have a bigger or smaller size, just this size. 10 bucks. I think it's a great deal for the size and amount of product that you get and also how it works. So the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist gets an A+ for me. Now we're going to move on to the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. This is supposed to keep your makeup on for up to 16 hours of wear. Now, I will go ahead and let you know, I have not worn my makeup for 16 hours using this setting spray. I've worn it for about 8 to 9 hours, which is normally how long I wear my makeup. I don't wear my makeup like literally all day. I should test that out though. I don't have my Morphe setting spray, but this reminds me of the Morphe setting spray, and it also reminds me of the Milani Make It Last. Now, the Morphe setting spray is one of my favorites, the one in the black. I got the one in the white. I need to throw it away because I don't like the sprayer on that one. For some reason, it like clogs up and gets really disgusting, but the black one is bomb. I love the black one, and this reminds me of that, and I love it. As far as just the formula and as far as how it has my makeup looking and lasting all day, this is amazing. This one is $10, just like this one. So you get the same amount of product, 2.7 fluid ounces, 80 milliliters. And the difference with this one is that it comes in a green bottle, and it has like, can you hear it? It has like the marble in it to mix it up. And I love that. I don't know what it is, but like I absolutely love how the marble is in here. It just makes me feel like so fancy for some strange reason. I don't know, but I love the marble. This one actually has a really fresh, not fresh linen, but kind of just like a fresh scent to it. I feel like this smells like if you were to like walk into someone's house that's washing clothes and not boom hit like the clothes scent hit you in the face, but like if you walk in on the other side of the house and you just get like that faint smell of someone washing clothes, that is what this smells like to me. It smells like faint washroom fresh linen almost. You're literally smelling it from like outside of the house or like right at the front door or something. It smells really good and fresh, and I really enjoy it. It's the same with the coconut. It doesn't linger. It doesn't have your face feeling sticky or icky or yucky like with this smell. So I really enjoy that. Now, even though this one is supposed to last all night, I was hoping that it didn't have my face feeling really sticky or yucky, and it did not. It really gave my face, I would honestly say, just a little bit more matte than this. I normally use this with a more natural or mattifying foundation, because normally if I'm going to wear a setting spray that is supposed to keep your makeup on for that long, I'm going to be wearing a long-lasting foundation because I want my makeup to last all day, period, okay? I have been using this with my L'Oreal True Match. I use it with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte. I use it with my L'Oreal Infallible. So I have been using this with pretty long lasting foundations, and it definitely works very well with them. I've been using this specifically a lot with the Camo CC Cream from e.l.f. Phenomenal foundation. This setting spray with this CC cream, phenomenal. Definitely give it a go. If you are in Ulta or Target or whatever and you see this foundation and you see these setting sprays, grab all three. Grab them all because they are an amazing combination. This definitely is getting an A+ for me. I absolutely love it. That is all I can really say about both of these setting sprays. I love them. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing them. They're both $10, so they are not breaking the bank. And just to buy two of these is like buying one like travel size Urban Decay setting spray. You cannot beat the deal and the price and how much product you get. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me for this little quick review on the new e.l.f. setting sprays, the Dewy and the Stay All Night. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Please let me know if you have any comments or if I missed anything down below. If you have tried these, please let me know down below and let me know how you like them and how they worked out for you. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining me for another video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.